was crazy!
Oh boy. We are somewhere near Lake Garda in the Dolomites in Italy, and we're about to go canyoning. Jackie, you excited?
Excited and nervous.
It's gonna be great.
Funny enough, 3 days ago, a friend of ours asked us if we'd ever been canyoning, and we said no, and we have no immediate plans to. We don't know when we will, but it's just on the bucket list. And then 2 days ago, we were looking for things to do when we got to Italy.
It's very hot.
It's very hot today. I think the high's like 88 Fahrenheit, and
Great way to cool off.
exactly. Nothing sounds better than some canyoning in cold water. So now we just start off with a little hike to get there. So one thing about me is I really hate jumping into water, which is a lot of what canyoning is. I really hate like jumping from heights, off diving boards, cliffs, any of that stuff. So thankfully we do have the option to abseil or rappel down anything we don't want to do, to jump off of, and I'll probably take advantage of that. Yesterday we were at our hotel, and our hotel has a dock onto Lake Garda, and we were jumping off as like practice, but that was probably 2 meters high, and some of these jumps are a lot bigger.
Meanwhile, I am excited to just send it.
So graceful.
After all the hiking, you're feeling real nice. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Woo! Ooh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, that's refreshing. Better.
Oh, that would be so nice after a hot, sweaty hike. Can we just stay here?
Alright, now we're descending. Oh.
But I'm having a lot of fun.
There's a big edge coming up ahead.
What? Okay. Wow.
Oh my God. That was crazy.
Okay, that was insane.
How was that?
That was crazy! I jumped up in the water. Oh my God, he was like, lets you go halfway down. Oh, sorry.
Next up is your rope, goes around the corner, and then disappears right over that drop.
Oh boy. Whenever I'm ready to go, I can go.
Okay, cool.
All right. I can't believe I did that.
I'm so happy I did not jump. This is going for another jump that is barely lower than the one before. So, still way too high for me. But go Thomas!
Take a look at the next element.
I can't see it.
That's terrifying. What?
Yeah, Jackie!
This canyon is so cool.
Ready, Jackie?
Let's do it.
Hand on the wall. Oh my god.
Wow.
Yes. You have the glasses here?
Alright, fine.
Okay.
That was rude.
Oh, I got water up my nose. And that's the end. That was fun.
We just finished canyoning. It took about 3 hours from start to finish. I'm really proud of both of us. Jackie, I know this was like a hard, this is a challenge for you to both sign up for the thing in the first place, and also when you got to everything, just sort of send it with some degree of confidence. And I still can't believe I did that 7-meter jump.
Yeah, I don't know what it is about jumping into water is like a big mental block for me. I mean, we've done canyon swings and bungee jumping off the sky tree in Auckland. Like, we've done these big scary jumps and stuff, but something about jumping into water is really tough. But that was really, really fun. I would definitely do it again, as long as you always have the option to abseil or rappel instead of doing the really, really high jumps.
Yeah, and especially if it's a hot day.
Yes, it was
That was
perfect
nice.
for a hot day. In the winter, though, this would be brutal because it would be really cold water and really cold temperatures.
Right.